Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look different, a good different, okay? I have never owned this wig ever, and let me tell you something, I am obsessed. By the way guys, my name is Mimi for those of you who are new, and this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much Luvme Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. You guys, a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. I am looking absolutely guys, I love nice things, and this wig is nice, okay? I am absolutely, guys, I can't even stop looking at myself on the screen, okay? Like, I look absolutely gorgeous. I look put together. I look like I woke up at 4 o'clock and I did my hair and makeup for like 5 hours, and literally guys, it only took me 5 minutes to put on this wig, okay? I'm obsessed. I look gorgeous. So if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company, do check the description box down below. You are going to get it like this, okay? Like literally it is nice and shiny. It looks absolutely natural. Guys, please just watch this video, okay? Check how easy it was to put on this wig. Something different but nice, okay? I am really happy. So let's get straight into today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I also have a discount code for you guys. It is on the screen, okay? You're going to get yourself some coins off when you purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. So this is their box. It comes with this gorgeous purple bow. So let's see what is inside. Okay, the first thing that you're going to find is this nice love letter. I always call it a love letter. It is written, "We know switching it up is everything, so unbox the love," from Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair Company. And Luvme Hair Company was kind enough to send me this lovely brush, and honey, everything is branded. That's when you know that you're working with like a super duper great company, okay? So this is the brush, and it is absolutely gorgeous. The brush is also branded, and it is of a good quality. They were kind enough to also send me these 2 wig caps. They are brown, which I'm very appreciative of, because as y'all can see, I'm wearing this one and it matches my skin tone so well. And they were also kind enough to send me this wig storage bag, which is written Luvme Hair Company. And then now the star of the show, guys. First of all, I've never owned a wig with bangs, so I'm really excited to be trying this out. And from the get-go, the quality is absolutely amazing. This is yaki texture, and this wig has bangs, period. And guys, I'm really excited. Look at that, this is absolutely good. Even though this wig has bangs and a little amount of lace, this lace is still bleached. Luvme Hair is doing what they're supposed to be doing, guys. I am really impressed with this. This is how the wig looks inside. I love everything about this wig, you guys. It is of good quality, as y'all can see. It has combs. Let me see how many combs it has. It has 1, 2, 3 combs, 2 adjustable belts, as y'all can see them. I'm still gonna adjust them according to my head size. It also has this adjustable belt as well. And let's get into the, guys, this is a straight out of the box, by the way. You all saw that. So it is from the get-go, guys. It is bouncy. I love this, and this is a yaki texture, as I mentioned before. As y'all can see, it is literally, it literally looks natural. So I love that about it. And look at the blunt cut. they did a great job. And this is the bag. The bag, baby. So as usual guys, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process. So basically this is just gonna be like a put on and go wig, because honey, there's no lace. So if you are a beginner, this wig is for you, okay? So I'm really excited to see how this wig is gonna look on me, because I have never owned anything like this. So let's get straight into today's video. Oh my goodness, this is nice and tight on my head. So I love this about Luvme Hair Company's wigs, because they've got like two adjustable belt and an extra. Oh my goodness, I didn't see myself. Oh, I love it. This is super different, but I love it. And the bangs, they are breathable, so they are not, you know, they are not too full. Oh my goodness, I love it. I look cute. I love it. This is chic. This is stylish. Oh my goodness. Look at the bangs, guys. They are nice and breathable. Oh my goodness, this is not irritate. I was afraid that this wig was actually going to irritate my eyelashes, but baby, the bangs are breathable, okay? So they're not irritating my lashes at all. This is cute. This is really cute. Oh my goodness, and it still shines. Guys, look at that. As much as this wig is nice and straight, I'm going to flatten it just a little bit, and I love it. I love it so much. I can't wait for my husband to see how I look. Like literally, guys, I'm impressed, guys, because I've never owned, like, I can't stop looking at myself. I really can't stop looking at myself and touching the hair, because it is nice and soft, it is bouncy, it is shiny, and I look cute, okay?
Everything feels so abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there is a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too, 'cause baby I don't wanna be. Baby I don't wanna be. No baby I don't wanna be. Baby I don't wanna be. How it hurts to see you smile, like a dagger hit me. She just seems so juvenile. I just want it to be me. I wanna set your world on fire. Oh, you're so sure I'll stick around. Oh, my heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too.
Guys, I look too good. I look like I know things. I look like, if you ask me about fashion, if you ask me about hair, I am definitely going to give you all the answers in the world. baby. I look too put together. Oh my goodness, I love this wig so much. I love the fact that it is natural. It looks like I just literally relaxed my natural hair and I went to the salon and they gave me a fresh new cut. Okay, like I love this. I love this. I'm so happy. I look good. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.